Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Batpods Pro. Now you can pick these up from batpodshop.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $100. Now they come in two different colors. You got black and white. Now before I get started, let me say this. This is not a sponsored video. I repeat, this is not a sponsored video. Now, if y'all remember the last time I did the real versus fake, a lot of y'all was concerned that the ones I'm reviewing ain't going to be the ones that you get. So in order to solve that problem, from now on, anytime I do these kind of videos, I'm buying the product myself anonymously. So this way the company doesn't know it's me reviewing them. What you see is what you get. So if you order these are the exact ones that you're going to get. Now the website does have PayPal, so you don't got to worry about getting scammed. Okay, so I'm going to check these out. I got the white ones, the black ones, and then we'll compare them to the real AirPod Pros. $250 versus $100. All right, so let's take it over to the website real quick. Let's go through the features. All-day battery. Enjoy up to 4 hours of listening uninterrupted. Now, that's about the same as the real AirPod Pros. High quality. All right, high-quality transducers produce the clearest sound with noise cancellation. Now, these claim to have the W1 chip and noise cancellation. We'll check that out too. Quick connection. Our pods connect with iPhones and Android devices seamlessly. Now, these also have wireless charging. Simply set them on a wireless charging pad, charge them up. Lasting case. All right, all-day case. Battery case charges 3 to 5 cycles. All right, so you can charge up your earbuds 3 more times. Affordable. The most affordable high-quality pods to date. And noise cancellation. Enjoy high-quality sound without exterior distractions. Okay. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Let's check these out. Now, I'm going to start off with the black ones, so this way I don't confuse them with my real AirPod Pros. Right. Here we go. Now, as far as the presentation, plain black box. I like a nice black box. Giggity. On the front, you got your Batpods logo. And that's pretty much it. Okay, now this is one of those boxes that's going to stress you out. Here we go. All right, let me calm down. Calm down. Ah! All right, here we go. All right, I just raged out off camera. Now I'm back. Here we go. Inside the box, got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. This is going to be your Batpods Pro. Now this is the matte black case with the black earbuds. Let's see, you got some different size ear tips. And you get a USB to lightning adapter charger cable. That's pretty much it. Now for comparison, if you buy your $250 AirPod Pros, this is the presentation that you get. Pretty much the same. Now, for size comparison, here's the real ones, Batpods Pro. They basically have the same weight. Let's open these up. Let's see. Okay, now as far as how do they look, identical. Let's see the bottoms. And let's grab the white ones real quick. All right, no rage on this one. Just take your time. Here's how the white ones look. Let me grab a real AirPod Pro. Yeah, see for yourself. Basically identical. All right, so I'll grab a phone. We'll pair these up. Then we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, the first thing we got to do is check wireless charging. So here's the white ones. Charging up. And the black ones. Also charging up. Now, the light is a little bit dim, but you can see it's charging. All right, so now let's check the pairing process. This is the first time, so we'll open up the case. Let's see if we get that pop-up. There it is. Not your AirPods Pro. Let's hit connect. We'll hold the button on the back. Connecting. Just like real AirPod Pros. Okay, so you got your media controls. This one has 9% on the battery case. Earbuds fully charged up. Now I'm going to put them in real quick because I want to check something out. Batpods Pro. All right, you see it for yourself. Let's go over to the volume. Okay, so we got transparency mode off and noise cancellation. Now, honestly, I don't hear anything when I switch, but let me throw on some music. All right, so before I start blasting the music, I'm going to test out noise cancellation and ambient sound mode. So if you see in the bottom, Batpods Pro, I'm going to play the music at a low volume. All right, matter of fact, I'll turn it up a little bit. Okay. Transparency mode. No difference at all. Turn it off. Nah, no difference. All right, so this is just a visual. Let's turn on noise cancellation. No difference at all. All right, so you have that actual look of the functionality, but it doesn't work. $100. All right, there's no noise cancellation and no transparency mode. Now I'm going to play some music at max volume. Let's start this over. Here we go. All right. Birdman hands rubbing together. They did get louder. Let me wait for that bass drop. Okay. Now cutting in and out a little bit. Here we go. Take my major. Okay. Told I ain't coming home. I just text my main chick. This is my joint right here. Told I ain't coming home. I'm waiting for that bass. Here we go. Mix it handy with the Bombay. All right, let me listen. Okay. All right. I'm going to be 100% honest with y'all. They don't sound bad at all. Now, if you heard the AirPod Pros, you're going to know immediately that these ain't them. These ain't it. But for $100, they don't sound bad. Not to mention, if you just want that AirPod Pro look, you want to look like you got the AirPod Pros, but you don't want that AirPod Pro money being drained out of your bank account, then yeah, you might want to check these out. I'll do a little bit more testing, but honestly, they sound aight. They aight. D-E-Y-A-I-G-H-T. They aight. One thing I noticed though, as the music was starting, it was cutting in and out a little bit. Then it started playing clearly, but the bass was a little bit muffled. Again, these definitely ain't AirPod Pros. Definitely not. And there's no transparency and no noise cancellation. So what I'm going to do is, let me try to range test, because that's going to be important with these, because the way they was cutting out. Let me put them back in real quick. I'll do this live. Why not? Throw the music on. I'm going to walk 30 feet. All right, hold up. They disconnected. All right, disconnected like that. All right. Put them back in the case. Oh, maybe because I opened up the other one. Let's try that again. Let's see if they repair. Okay, Batpods Pro. Throw them back in. Now they're cutting in and out a little bit. All right, now disconnect it. Hit the music. Yeah, once the music starts, you hear it cutting in and out of your ears, but now it's playing fine. Let me walk 30 feet. Let me start walking. Here we go. All right, this is 30 feet. Let me do 50 feet. I just text my major. All right, I'm all the way at 50 feet. Well, I ain't coming home. All right, I'm coming back. I just text my major. All right, I'm coming back. Told I ain't coming home. Hold up, I gotta wait for my part. Let's go. Mix it handy with the Bombay. Yeah, yeah, honestly, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. They're not bad at all. They sound like some regular earbuds that you would get for maybe $80, $90. So the price is about right. What you're paying for with these, if you notice, it's catching my Siri. What you're paying for with these is that look. You want that AirPod Pro's look, without that AirPod Pro money. Now, just for fun, I'll do a little comparison with these and the real AirPod Pros. All right, so now let's try the real AirPod Pros. Open these up. Captain Kirk's AirPod Pros. Let me slap these in. Okay. Now, immediately, and I mean immediately, and this is why I love these, once you put these in your ears, the noise cancellation hits you. All right, let me show you something. Swipe down. Let me turn it off. All right, now turn it off. Now, when you turn these on and off, you hear a chime. Now, once I turned off noise cancellation, now I hear my voice nice and clear. Turn on transparency. It gets you that like robot sound, but my voice is crystal clear now. But the thing is, when you put on noise cancellation and you hear that bing, yo, it gets super quiet. All right, these are in my top 3 favorite truly wireless earbuds. It's these, the Sennheisers, and the Sonys. And that's because of the noise cancellation. Let's play some music real quick. See if I can hear the difference. All right. All right, now I got on noise cancellation. Let me turn that off. Matter of fact, I'll turn it off. Oh, it's crystal clear. Crystal clear. Here we go. Let me see something. Let me wait for that bass. Oh, my God. So like coming on. All right, chill. I don't even got to do this. Bro. It's 100% night and day. All right, when that bass dropped with these, it was crystal clear and clean. And boom, it hit me in my heart. These is aight. I ain't gonna front. These is aight. I'm not trying to say these is trash, but they definitely don't compare to these. All right, so there's a reason why you're spending $250 for the real ones. The sound quality is way better. That noise cancellation is the truth. And you got your transparency mode. But if you just want to flex, right, you got kids that always losing these. They don't really care about that high quality sound. You buying these for your parents. Maybe you just want to wear them to work. Little throwaway joints. Yeah, I would definitely buy these for $100. Matter of fact, one thing that I want to test, let's make a phone call with these. Because that could be important if the phone call quality sounds like trash. All right, so one thing I will say, they do connect real fast and smooth. Let's see, who can I call? Let me call Amaya real quick. All right, so here we go. I'm calling Amaya up. You see it's connected to audio. This is max volume. Yeah. Hi, girlie. What's up, baby? What you doing? Okay, cool. All right, well, slow it down. All right, no. Hold on, I want to hear all about that. But check this out. I'm in the middle of shooting a video. I need you to do my usual test and tell me how do I sound. Sound okay? A little staticky? I hear you perfectly fine. Let me talk a little bit lower. Can you hear me now? I'm moving the phone around a little bit too. Sounds okay? Okay, good. I mean, yeah, it sounds good. Sound good on my end. All right. That's all I needed. Ha! Now, all right. Oh, chill. Don't. I'm going to call you back because I need to get all of the juicy details. You know how I do. All right. I'll call you back in a minute. Bye. Okay. Now, as far as the call quality, decent. It sounds a little bit lower. And she said that I sounded aight. Usually when I talk to her, I'm using these, and it sounds crystal clear. And she doesn't even know that I'm using them. It sounds like I'm using a handset. With these, call quality was okay. All right, call quality was okay. That's the moral of the story with this video. They aight. All right, they aight. Are they worth $100? I would say yes, because you got wireless charging. All right, you got that seamless connection. And you got that flex. All right, that's basically why you're buying these. Let's be honest. Where's the white ones at? You're basically buying these because you want these, but you don't want that price. All right, you want these without that price, then get these. So far, out of all of the fake ones that I tested so far, I would say these are in the top 3. All right, these are in the top 3. $100. Yeah, I'm not complaining. Let's wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Batpods Pros, they aight. There's no high quality audio, there's no transparency mode, and there's definitely no noise cancellation. But here's the thing. If you're buying these for $100, you're not going to feel like you got ripped off, because part of the reason why you're buying these is because you want that AirPod Pro look without spending that AirPod Pro money. And that's exactly what you're getting. They actually work. The call quality was decent. The sound quality, the music, it's good enough. It's good enough to get the job done. The touch controls work, and you got wireless charge. But most importantly, they look exactly like AirPod Pros if you're buying these just for the flex. So, buy them for the kids, buy them for the throwaways, pick up a bunch of these for the Christmas gifts. But just remember one thing. If you're looking for AirPod Pro quality, you're not going to find that for $100 on none of these fake AirPod Pros. All right, if you ever heard the real ones, you would know immediately the difference between $100 and $250. But like I said, they aight. Batpod Pros, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And let me know if y'all want to see some more of these, because I got a whole bunch of fake AirPod Pros. But I stopped doing those videos after that clone drama. But now times is hard. People want to save some money. Let's get back into it. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock wanted to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. All right, so before I get out of here, I just got to say one more thing. Ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building. White Shoes, calm down.